I am Disha Chopra, and I'm the product lead for capital markets at Google Cloud. Today, I'm going to talk about Google Cloud's ultra low latency solution for financial exchanges. This architecture represents our ultra low latency solution, a fully cloud managed foundation designed specifically for the most demanding financial markets. In high frequency trading, we often talk about speed, but a deterministic system provides something more valuable: predictability and consistent performance. It is this consistency, not just the raw speed, that defines a world class trading environment. While this architecture is globally connected, it is built on two non negotiable pillars. The first pillar is compliance. This is foundational. Adhering to regulatory standards is the only way to ensure market integrity and prevent systemic failure. To support this, we have built in tools like packet capture, monitoring, and logging, all operating at nanosecond granularity. We aren't just helping you stay within the regulatory guardrails, we are making it easy for you to demonstrate it. The second and perhaps most critical pillar is determinism. We achieve this determinism by leveraging specialized compute for trading applications and a network fabric that offers exceptionally low jitter and variance, all of which is coordinated with a high precision clock. This design achieves three primary benefits. One, it ensures fair and equal access for every participant in the exchange. Two, it provides open access and elasticity, lowering the barrier to entry for participants and improving market liquidity. And finally, this infrastructure, when combined with our AI infrastructure and tooling, creates a massive opportunity to drive true innovation across the financial services industry. To understand the true power of that innovation, we have to look at the bigger picture. Global exchange markets are no longer constrained by the physical limits of legacy data centers. We are seeing an evolution where cloud native capital market capabilities are now happening across a fully integrated, purpose built stack. At the very base of this architecture sits our secure enterprise foundation and our ultra low latency infrastructure. This is the bedrock that provides the necessary performance to support everything that builds on top. As we move up, we reach the data management and research layers. By having universal access to Google's TPU-driven performance, exchange participants can manage ledgers and context with unprecedented scale. This is the fuel for the entire system. Finally, at the top of the stack, we have our agents and applications. This is the pinnacle. Autonomous agents and applications are the future. They will enable the flexibility and velocity that today's markets demand, allowing you to develop superior trading strategies that were simply impossible in a legacy environment. To power those advanced strategies, we need an unbreakable technical foundation. At the core of our claims for determinism is what we call the nervous system of the data center. Just as a biological nervous system coordinates actions across the body with absolute precision, our architecture ensures every transaction is timed and ordered with clinical accuracy. This is the architectural foundation of the entire ULL solution. In the world of financial exchanges, precision is non negotiable for two critical reasons. First, regulatory compliance. Mandates require sub 100 microsecond external synchronization to UTC. Second, market fairness. Internal operations demand sub 10 nanosecond synchronization to ensure a level playing field. To meet these rigorous requirements, Google engineering stepped up to the challenge. The result is what we call Firefly, a groundbreaking software driven approach that utilizes Google's Titanium IPU at cloud scale compute. By leveraging this hardware software synergy, we are achieving sub 10 nanosecond time synchronization across all compute nodes inside the data centers, and it is resilient to time server failures and unstable clocks. So that's the nervous system, Firefly, keeps everything in sync. Now, let's look at the muscles. To power these demanding financial workloads, we've developed the U4 bare metal compute family. By eliminating the hypervisor layer, we've removed virtualization overhead, providing direct access to the server's CPU and memory. These instances are equipped with fifth generation Intel Xeon processors, delivering up to 100 Gbps of throughput. We know different roles in the market have different needs. That's why we offer specialized machines. For exchange operators, we have the U4P. For exchange participants, we have the U4C and the U4S, which is a virtualized form factor. Whether you need reserved or on demand capacity, we provide multiple form factors with full CPU core controls directly from the operating system. For those looking at the software stack, both the U4P and the U4C support Open Onload, a well known library in the capital market space. This allows your applications to benefit from a highly optimized user space accelerated TCP stack, slashing latency and reducing jitter to the absolute minimum. Lastly, it is the ULL network fabric that assures this low latency profile, respecting stringent jitter and variance requirements backed by performance driven SLAs. The result? A degree of determinism previously deemed impossible in the cloud. Moving from our bare metal offerings, we have the U4S Virtual Machine series. Think of the U4S as the virtualized brother of the U4C. It is Google's new machine series designed for those who need network and storage offloads without sacrificing industry leading performance. The U4S provides a highly efficient and flexible trading platform. Under the hood, the U4S runs on Intel 6th generation Xeon Granite Rapid processors, which include Intel Advanced Matrix extensions to accelerate deep learning inference directly on the machine. To minimize virtualization overhead for compute, networking, security, and storage, all U4 instances leverage Google's Titanium Infrastructure Processing Unit, or the IPU, significantly increasing packet processing performance and reducing jitter. Ultimately, the U4S is about efficiency and flexibility. You can use submachine shapes to precisely match your workloads and create high availability clusters, delivering a truly economical trading platform. Now that we've looked at both compute technologies, let's see how they stack up side by side. The choice between U4C bare metal and U4S virtual machines really comes down to your specific strategy. The U4C bare metal solution is designed for performance, predictability, and control. If your priority is latency sensitive trading, this delivers consistent high performance, fair access via ultra low latency networking, and expanded machine controls. On the other hand, the U4S virtual machines offer advanced flexibility and cost optimization. Together, they provide balanced performance and help reduce your total cost of ownership, all while maintaining flexible custom sizes and hardware accelerated networking. Both the bare metal and the virtual machine compute instances support acceleration of inferencing with Intel AMX. Despite their differences, both are powered by Google Cloud's Titanium Infrastructure Processing Unit, giving you the best control and performance for your environment. Finally, let's look at the data that validates everything we've discussed. Please note these numbers are derived under specific testing conditions. They represent our expected optimal tick-to-trade response times. For those requiring the absolute highest performance, the U4C bare metal solutions is designed for a tick-to-trade response time of less than 10 microseconds. This emphasizes our commitment to performance, predictability, and control. For workloads prioritizing efficiency, the U4S VMs deliver excellent performance with an expected tick-to-trade response time of less than 30 microseconds, providing advanced flexibility and cost optimization. What we are offering at Google Cloud is a unique, fully deterministic, ultra-low latency architecture for both the exchange operator as well as the market participants. We are not just solving today's performance problems. By seamlessly integrating next-generation AI and analytics, we are building a foundation that is ready for the markets of the future. Please scan the QR code to find out more and keep listening. Thank you.